This is the Amazon. It will take about 2 days to get there, and along the way you will come across animals where size doesn't matter. Big or small, they all have just one goal: to kill you and fill their stomachs. Because this place is deadly. This jungle covers about 5.5 million square kilometers, an area so huge that you could fit 7 countries like Pakistan, 2 like India, and even 157 countries like Dubai inside it. This jungle stretches across 8 countries. When talking about this area, the rainforest extends from Colombia to Guyana, Brazil, Peru, and Bolivia. You may find it surprising that about 20% of all living species on Earth come from here. This forest, with nearly 4 billion trees, is a place where nature completely rules, so everything happens on its own. Today, you will learn some amazing facts about the Amazon forest that you probably haven't heard before. Welcome to another video from. If this is your first time watching an Horizon Docs video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, friends. So, the Amazon is about 2 lakh square kilometers, but if you draw a complete circle around its borders, it stretches about 2,000 kilometers long. That's roughly the same distance as from Mumbai to New Delhi or Brasilia to Salvador if you were to travel around 7 times. This big, dense forest is called the Amazon Rainforest because there is hardly a week in the whole year when it doesn't rain here. The forest is so dense that whenever it rains, the water takes up to 10 minutes to reach the ground. Because of this thick canopy, it stays as dark as night even during the day. These dense trees hardly let sunlight pass through. Thanks to the rain and the unique ecosystem, there are all kinds of birds and plants here that can only be found in the Amazon forests. So far, there are 400,000 types of plants, 300 different species of birds, over 2,200 species of fish, 272 mammals, and many strange-looking animals living here. When it comes to insects, over 2.5 million different types have been spotted so far. This forest looks beautiful from the outside, but it is just as dangerous on the inside because anything can happen here at any time. There are all kinds of animals, big and small, that are extremely dangerous. If a person accidentally enters this forest, the first thing they will likely encounter is the green anaconda. The green anaconda is one of the biggest snakes in the world, measuring about 30 feet long and weighing around 250 kilograms. Whenever this snake hunts, it can swallow animals even bigger than itself in one gulp. There are thousands of dangerous snake species in the Amazon, and chances are you have been bitten by some tiny insect at some point. These bugs are even smaller than mustard seeds. But when they bite, your whole body shudders with pain. In the Amazon forest, there is also a species of tiny bugs whose sting is incredibly painful. Known as the bullet ant, it carries venom that causes extreme agony. The world's biggest centipede can grow several centimeters long. If it accidentally bites someone, the pain it causes is so intense that it can even be dangerous. People who have been stung say the pain is as bad as a severe bee sting. In this forest, which stretches thousands of miles, there is also the world's second longest river and the largest by water flow, the Amazon River. Its total length is about 6,840 kilometers, and the entire Amazon forest experiences heavy rainfall. All the water that collects eventually flows through this river into the ocean. This river is about 329 feet deep and is home to thousands of huge and dangerous crocodilians that will go to any lengths to satisfy their hunger. Around 19,000 cubic meters of water flow through it every second. To give you an idea of how much water that is, even the world's largest swimming pools cannot compare to this river. Human activity here is quite low. The pink dolphin of the Amazon can grow about 9 feet long and weigh around 200 kilograms. Compared to other dolphins, it is faster and more intelligent because it has a larger brain. Dolphins usually get along well with humans, but the pink dolphin is known to behave unpredictably. Scientists and researchers have evidence that for over 250 years, a fish in the Amazon River called the electric eel has been delivering powerful electric shocks for defense. It has been recorded to deliver up to 860 volts. There have been incidents where electric eels gave people high voltage shocks that proved fatal, not just humans. These eels can shock animals many times their size. Whoever comes near them may receive one electric shock and it is game over. Scientists say electric eels can produce currents strong enough to disable the nervous system of living creatures. Martin Strel is a marathon swimmer, the man who swam across the entire Amazon River. Yes, the same river that is home to giant alligators, electric eels, and huge anacondas. How did Martin manage to avoid all that and set this record? He did it in just 66 days. In 2007, he chose one of the world's most dangerous places to set a record. Martin swam about 10 hours every day in the river and rested the rest of the time. He said that in such a deadly river, to avoid alligators, electric eels, and many other dangerous animals, his team, who traveled with him on a separate boat, threw pieces of meat into the water to distract predators. In the Amazon forests, there is also a river where the water is constantly boiling. This 6.5 kilometer long river, located in Peru, emits steam from within. The water temperature ranges from 90 to 100 degrees Celsius, making it impossible for most living creatures to survive in it. No one fully knows why it remains hot year-round. The Amazon is home to tribes who hunt animals and live their lives within the forest. Some of these tribes have never seen the outside world, and when they encounter outsiders, they react as if seeing something completely new. Satellite images show huge geometric markings on the ground. These are called geoglyphs, and some stretch up to 1.5 kilometers in size. More than 300 such geoglyphs have been discovered in the Amazon. Why were these strange markings made, and who created them? The mystery remains. If you want a separate video on this, write part 2 in the comments. I hope you will like and share this IT video. That's all for today. See you in the next video.